bike so far. It sounds really good. I did notice a little bit more horsepower. It looks like, as you can see, I removed the front fender on mine and bobbed the rear fender. Put a LED tail light and turn signals on the back. That's what it looks like from the back. Try and rev it up for you. Hopefully it sounds pretty good on the camera. How it sounds. Like I said, I noticed a little bit increase in torque and performance, especially in first gear. Thing's a monster. I'm really happy with it. Exactly what I was looking for. Sounds deep and throaty, and just really lets that engine sound like the beast it is. So this exhaust is definitely the best exhaust you can get for the money, best value. So thanks again, Dain. You've been awesome. So here's the final walk around of the bike. Thanks again. Have a good one.